Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an image to your GitHub README file. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So currently we are on the GitHub page. From here you're going to go to the top right, and then you're going to go to your repositories. Then you're going to select whichever one that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. And then from here, as you can see, there's a README file right here. Simply click on edit. And then from here, as you can see, we're going to click on the issues, but we're going to hold Ctrl and then click it to open it on a new tab. From here, you're going to add new issue. And as you can see, you can write any title. So for example, we're going to put scam text. And then from here, we're going to add whatever image that we like. So from here, we're going to click on the file and then send capture. And then from here, we're going to click on create. Then from here, all you have to do is click on the top three dots and then go to edit. And then from here, you're going to copy this link right here. And then from here, go back to your file and then paste it and then commit changes. And once you do that, you're going to check on the text. And as you can see in the README file, now you have images. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.